Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Regarding chilling in the summer, just sitting in a pool can be pretty dull, especially for kids. And you know how kids can be when they are bored. You don't want them to be stuck on screens without doing any physical activities all summer. Why not spice up the fun with a water slide? A water slide is a fun way to give your kids the physical activity they need this summer. Don't know what water slide to get? In this video, we have compiled some of the best inflatable water slides on the market for you to choose from. See any products you like? You can find additional product details by following the links in the description. You can visit our Consumer Sherpa channel on YouTube for more videos about household products just like this one. Now let's get to it, shall we? Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race Slide. The Little Tikes Rocky Mountain River Race water slide is the ultimate water slide for kids. This incredible inflatable wonder is great for families with plenty of kids or a kiddie playdate. The center of the slide has a climbing wall and a big wading pool for kids to play in while they wait for their turn in the slide. The slide is fitted with dual sprayers on each side for a seamless slide. The slide has an added fun challenge to make the kids exercise more. There's a waterfall that is above the climbing wall. Your kids will have fun on this slide for hours. If you're worried about safety, you shouldn't be. There's a comfortable landing at the bottom, a sizable inflatable cushions at the wall's base for any child that falls off the wall. The slide is made of a sturdy material that has been sewn 30 times for maximum longevity. With a joint weight restriction of 350 pounds, it can hold up to 4 kids at once. It is effortless to set up and even to clean up. You don't have to leave it out, and you can empty it and fold it up for proper storage. Actionair Inflatable Water Slide. The Actionair Inflatable Water Slide is another giant water slide you can get for your kids' playdates or parties. This water slide is quite an affordable choice for its size and all the fun it provides. It is an excellent deal compared to the other models in the same category that sell for hundreds more. Like the Little Tikes water slide, this one can accommodate up to 4 children at once. This slide is shaped like a shark, and we think that's pretty exciting. The slide shark mouth design and peekaboo tunnel make the slide feel like a water park. It has its own water cannon, a climbing wall, and a wading pool with shark fins. It comes with a dual sliding sheet to guarantee maximum safety and ease. It is effortless to clean or set up. It takes about 20 seconds to inflate, and it's simple to deflate and wrap up for storage. If your kids love adventure, then you should pick this one. Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure House Bouncer. The Bounceland Jump and Splash Adventure House Bouncer is not your regular water slide. It is a full-size bounce house and a water slide, giving them the best of both worlds. The bounce house, however, is relatively small, so it can only carry 2 children at once. But inside the bouncy house, kids can shoot hoops. It also has a climbing wall that leads to the slide. It is the ultimate playground. The slide surface is kept slippery by a sprayer positioned above it. The high rails, substantial supporting columns, and sturdy mesh enclosure protect children. Also, it has an additional smooth Velcro attached slide surface that provides the kids with. The Bounceland Jump and Splash is a terrific option for younger kids. However, if you're looking for a bigger water slide, you can check out our previous choices or keep watching. Sunny and Fun Ultra Climber Inflatable Water Slide. The Sunny and Fun Ultra Climber Inflatable Water Slide is a water slide for the whole family. It has 2 slides, which drain into different sides of the wading pool. A large climbing wall can also be used wet or dry. This water slide comes with a water gun and 2 sprayers that the kids can use to heighten the fun. It is made of durable nylon that can even hold the weight of adults too. So when the kids are not using it, you can have some fun too. This material is puncture proof, but it is still impervious to punctures. Fortunately, this slide comes with 4 puncture repairs for any water slide emergency. This splash water slide also promotes racing slide activities, but it should be done under adult supervision. It is genuinely one of the best inflatable water slides the whole family can use. However, you should know that because of the size of this slide, it would take up more time to set up and clean. Intex Rainbow Ring Inflatable Play Center. The Intex Rainbow Ring Inflatable Play Center is the right water slide for you if you prefer a slightly more gentle and simple water slide. It is more suitable for toddlers, but it's just as fun. It includes a miniature slide, a wading pool, a water sprayer, and a ring toss game. This more compact water park is a fantastic option if you have a young child that you must watch closely. This water park does not include a blower. You must buy it separately. It includes smaller and larger pools connected by a short slide that drops into a soft landing mat. It has an inflatable rainbow arch holding a water sprayer so the slide remains slick. There you have it. Some of the best inflatable water slides on the market. If you can't afford a pool, one of these water slides would do a great job of keeping your family cool and entertained this summer. So hurry and get yours now.